Hey everyone, let's talk about the latest surge in oil prices. The ongoing conflict in the Middle East has got everyone on edge, and it's hitting us right where it hurts, in our wallets. Just recently, oil prices shot up to nearly $78 a barrel. That's a jump of almost 10%. Now why should you care? Well, higher oil prices mean higher costs for transportation, goods, and everything in between. Essentially, it makes daily life more expensive. Experts are keeping a close watch on this situation. They're concerned but not yet hitting the panic button. If the conflict doesn't escalate, we might see these prices stabilize. Fingers crossed. The US, being a major oil producer now, adds an interesting twist. Unlike the oil crises of the 1970s, the US has more control over its oil supply. So far, gas prices here have only seen a slight bump and are still lower than last year. But let's not get too comfortable. Any significant disruption, especially in areas like the Strait of Hormuz, a key shipping route, could spell trouble. Iran's oil exports are still flowing despite sanctions, but the situation is fragile. The potential for Israeli strikes on Iranian oil facilities adds another layer of complexity. Analysts believe that if geopolitical tensions ease, oil prices could stabilize or even drop. For now, the global community is watching the Middle East closely because the stakes are high. Shifting gears, let's look at the market's reaction. Despite the recent spike, there was a slight dip in the market. Brent and West Texas Intermediate crude futures both dropped by 0.6%, thanks to profit-taking and a stronger US dollar. Traders are now eyeing upcoming US inflation data and the reopening of Chinese markets after their holiday. China's return to the market and its major stimulus measures could shake things up. The big question is, how will this impact the global economy and oil demand? On top of that, tensions between Israel and Hezbollah are escalating, and Hurricane Milton in the US is adding more uncertainty. So what's next? The combination of geopolitical tensions and environmental factors creates a tangled web of unpredictability. Keep your eyes peeled for updates as the situation is constantly evolving, and remember, informed is forewarned. Thanks for tuning in. Stay vigilant, stay informed. See you next time.